0.05 is 1. So remain ln 15 over a. And minus 0 plug in. It should be plus 0 minus this. After remove the parentheses, it become plus. 0 plug in is e to the power 0 is 1. And this over this is 1600. So become plus because minus after remove the parentheses become plus. Originally is this minus this one, because this one and then this take integral is this. Here minus you distributed in is minus this one, put the parentheses minus 1600, remove the parentheses, become plus. So then the two combined is 5,000 minus 2,000 is 3,000 ln 15 over a. And this one, e and the ln cancel, get 1600 times 15 over a. A with 1600 cancel, get 200 times 15. So 200 times 15 get 3,000 and plus 1600. So you got 3,000 ln 15 over a minus the two combined, minus 1400. And use calculator, figure out is 485.8259,783. And since in 100, x is in 100, so this one should be times by 100. This is x bar also in 100, so you have times by 100. Times by 100 is 2 decimal digits, so move to the right 2 positions, get 485.82.59783. Rounded, you get is 48582.59783. Rounding to 2 decimal digits. So this round up. Add with 1. Add with 1 becomes 0. Carry on 1, get 6. So you got is a 48582.60. 59 add 1 is 60. So this is dollar in dollars. Then next one is question 11. Has A, B, C, D. The first question, the rate of change in dollars per year. Rate of change is f prime of t, first derivative, of the income produced by a vending machine is given by, this is rate, first derivative, f prime of t equal 5,000 e to the power 0.04 t, where t is time in years since the installation of the machine. A, find the total income produced. This is per year income in dollars produced by the machine during the first 5 years. So first 5 years, 5 years, each year so much, then 5 years. So it's a summation, continuous sum. So f of t is equal integral 0 to 5 f prime of t dt. F prime take integral is f of t. And here first 5 years, so 0 to 5. So integral 0 to 5, 5,000 times e to the power 0.04 t dt. And then 5,000 take out, factor out. E, this one take integral is e 0.04 t divided by 0.04, and t go from 0 to 5 because this take derivative by the chain rule. E take derivative still e. and times by the chain rule, times 0.04, cancel with denominator and go back to this. That's why here you need to divide it by 0.04 when you take an integral. So then 0.04 is 1 over 25. Reciprocal 5 times 25 is 125 with 3 zeros. And then 5 plug in, e to the power 5 plug in, 0 plug in. And put the bracket, parenthesis or bracket. So 12500, e to the power, this time together is 0.2 minus 0. E to the power 0 is 1. And use calculate, figure out this. So for the 5 years, the total income, if in this rate, the total income per year in this rate, in T years, each year rate is this. Then you have 5 years. Total income is so much, rounded to this 2 decimal digits. And B. And using the continuous income rate of flow for the vending machine for this rate, using this rate, find the future value of the continuous income stream invested at R. Smaller r is 12%, is 0.12, compounded continuously 5 years. So capital T is a 5. So this is future value. And future value formula, here, future value formula is future value equal integral 0 to capital T, rate R of T, times e to the power interest rate, compounded interest rate, parenthesis T, capital T minus smaller t, dt. This is future value compounded stream for the income stream. So future value is equal to integral 0 to t, capital T is 5. The rate is f prime of t times e to the power r times capital T is 5 minus small t dt. So equal 0 to 5. F prime of t. F prime of t given here is 5,000 e to the power 0.04 t. That's F prime of t, plug in. Then e to the power r, smaller r, 0.12 times 5 minus t dt. Then 5,000 factor out, integral 0 to 5 e to the power 0.04 t times this distributive in 0.12 times 5 is 0.6. Add with negative distributive in is a negative 0.12 t. This one I separate because same base is e. This added this is going to be this, right? The same base e add exponent. 0.6 is this is 0.6 and this is a negative 0.12 t. Then you can write down separately. Then this is a constant, factor out. This is not affected by t, so factor out, constant. So we got future value equal 5,000. This factor out, e to the power 0.6, integral of this at this. The two add together, the same base is e. 0.04 t at negative 0.12 t, which is 0.4 minus 0.12 is negative 0.08 t. Take integral. So is this take integral. So this factor constant times this e take integral still e. And then this divided by this negative 0.08. And t go from 0 to the 5. You have to divide it by negative 0.5 because this take derivative should go back this. If you don't divide it by negative 0.5, You want cancel with this. You want go back to this. So here divided by negative 0.08. And then you go to negative 0.08 is 8 over 100. And 5,000 divided by negative 0.08 get negative 62500. E to the power. This one with this one. This one with this one. Divided get negative 62500. Which is this one with this negative 0.5. And you will get this. Negative 62500. Then times e to the power 0.6. Then 5 plug in. And get e to the power negative 0.4 minus e to the power 0 plug in. E to the power 0 is 1. Then you multiply in negative e to the power 0.6 times e to the power negative 0.2 is a negative e to the power 0.2. Negative e to the power 0.6 times negative 1 distributive in. Get positive e to the power 0.6. Then use calculator. Use calculator. Then you got this. And rounded to decimal digits. So future value is so much. So this one is a future value. And now, what is the present value? Present value is a future value equals present value compounded continuously formula. This one. Compounded continuously formula. Amount after t years is initial value P0 e to the power RT after t years. So use this formula. So future value is future value equal to present value times e to the power R capital T. So then you divided this done. Divide e to the power RT done. You will get present value. Present value is like here capital T is 5. After 5 years, you got future value. So much. Now, what is the present value will be, which is before 5 years. So, and the present value times e to the power compounded interest rate formula, which is this is initial values. We call present value, and future value is after t years. The amount is the future value. So you divide it done, you got present value. So present value equal future value divided by e to the power RT. Now here t is 5 years. So present value equal this move up, change to negative sign, negative exponent rule. So present value equals future value. Now here I use exact number, don't use rounding number. We rounded at the end of for the final answer, round. And between the in the procedures, we always use exact value. So we'll use this exact value to do. Then you can get final answer is accurate. So use this one, 62500. Future value, parenthesis, e to the power 0.6 minus e to the power 0.2 is future value, exact value. Before round, don't use this because this is after rounding. If you put in here, you to calculate, it's not final answer will not be that accurate. So use exact values. This one, which is a future value, times e to the power negative r is 0.12. R is 12%, 0.12. Capital T is 5 times 5 times 5. This one times this, e to the power negative RT. So use this formula. To do. Then 62500 e to the power this time together is negative 0.6. Then you can distribute it in. Get same base e, add exponent, multiply, add exponent is 0. E to the power 0 is 1. Minus this time together, same base is e. Add 0.2, add negative 0.6 is negative 0.4. And use calculator and figure out this. And this one, rounding. Rounding is 7, round, you add 1. 90, 99, add 1 is 100. So you got, add 1, get 0, carry on 1 is 0.1. So you got 20605.00. $0.00. Then find out the total interest earned during the first 5 years. So it is the future value minus the total income is interest earned. So which is the future value is part B. Part B, this is part B, minus and part A. Part B minus part A. Part B, we figure out future value is 37544.75. Then you minus the total income you will deposit in is 27675.34, which you figure out in A part. So part B minus part A. Subtraction. This is the interest earned in the first 5 years.